Business editor Richard Southern joins us on this Monday. And Richard, housing prices are about to hit a new milestone here in Toronto.
It's quite something. Housing prices, or the average price for a house here in Toronto, Erica, set to top $1 million this year, according to the Toronto Regional Board of Trade. This, as the pandemic-induced frenzy for bigger homes shows no signs of letting up. The Board of Trade predicting that by the end of 2021, the average price will top $1 million. It made that prediction as it delivered the January Toronto housing data, which showed the market being absolutely on fire. Sales up 50% year on year in January. The average selling price last month up 15.5% year on year to just over $967,000. You know, people stuck at home, working from home, they're looking for more space. You know, if you've had time to shop around perhaps for a home because there's not a lot else to do, and mortgage rates remain at near record low levels. So the market just remains on fire, Erica.
All right, and this may sound very strange, but you could soon be able to buy a car using Bitcoin.
Yeah, a Tesla car. So Tesla today said it made a $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin. It bought $1.5 billion of the digital currency, and it announced plans to, yes, if you want to buy a Tesla car down the road, you could use Bitcoin to do it if you so choose. Elon Musk, the Tesla founder and CEO, said last week that he felt Bitcoin was on the verge of acceptance by conventional finance people, as he put it. Critics, though, say Bitcoin is an unusually risky way for Tesla to spend cash on its corporate balance sheet. Indeed, the news did more for the price of Bitcoin than it did for Tesla stock today. Bitcoin at a record high. If you're looking for one of them, Erica, it'll set you back $56,300.
All right,
Pretty pricey.
and pretty pricey, yeah. And finally, the markets opened the week on an optimistic note, Richard.
Record high today for the TSX. Erica, same story for the Dow and the S&P and the NASDAQ. Records all around on the markets. Investors very enthused by what's been a strong vaccination rollout in the United States. Obviously not so much here in Canada yet, but in the States. Corporate earnings have been good as well. And so there's some optimism now on the markets. The closing bell rang and the TSX was above 18,330. It's up 5.4% on the year. Price of oil kept on rising, and that's going to mean higher gas prices here in Toronto by midweek.